Search for AppMink.
Oh no! Evil Bus has stolen money from the bank.
I'm rich. What should I buy with all this money?
Oh, look over there! It's Mr. Police Car. He can help. Mr. Police Car has turned on the siren. Time for a chase.
Pull over, Evil Bus. Somebody could get hurt. I have to stop this bank robber.
Evil Bus is going the wrong way on the road. Now Mr. Police Car is going the wrong way too. It really wants to stop the bank robber.
Stop, Evil Bus!
Smell you later.
Sorry, Mr. Fire Truck and Mr. Garbage Truck. Are you alright? Mm-hmm. Good. Please follow me. We have to stop this bank robber. Here we go, everyone.
Mr. Police Car is taking Evil Bus onto another road. What's this? Mr. Fire Truck and Mr. Garbage Truck are taking the next right. They're setting up a trap for Evil Bus.
We've got him!
Oh yeah! They've caught the bank robber.
Oh man!
The bank robber will now go to jail.
Great work, team.
Search for AppMink. Alright, today we're getting some help from Mr. Pig. Oh, stop! We've got to bring the passenger section over. Line those wheels up. Oops, missed. Oh, here's the cab. That's why they missed. That looks great. Let's get some photos. Don't forget the mirrors. And lastly, the seats with our friendly bus driver, Mink. Mr. Pig is our first passenger. Let's go for a drive. Oh, forgot something. The engine. That sounds better. Wow. Looking good, Mrs. School Bus. See you again soon! Alright, now we're over at the AppMink Town Railway Station. And guess what? We're going to build Mr. Train. Let's start assembling him. Now, what have we got here?
Rocket.
That's right! And where does a rocket go to?
Space.
Great work! Look at that! The rocket was actually part of the train! Starting to look good, Mr. Train. Now the dump truck is here. What have you got for us?
Wheels.
Wow, thanks so much. That'll be a great help. And what's next?
Engine.
That's right, the engine helps the wheels work. All right, just the finishing touches left. Now, what have we got here?
Train.
That's right, it's Mr. Train. And what's this he's going to pull?
Wagon.
Yep, a wagon. Let's watch him go. Wow, looking great, Mr. Train. Search for AppMink TV. Hi everyone. Today's another beautiful day at AppMink Town. And guess what? We've got another lesson for you from Mr. Train. Are you excited? I know I am. Let's get started. Today, we're learning about fruit. Do you know what fruit is in this box? It's bananas. Bananas grow on palm trees and love to be eaten by monkeys. You just peel the yellow skin off and chow down. Now, what fruit is this? It's an apple. There are over 7,000 different types of apples. If you tried one per day, it'd take you 20 years to taste them all. Apples are delicious, but make sure you don't eat the middle. That bit's not very tasty. To get apples, we plant an apple seed from the core in the ground, and it grows into an apple tree. Now what's our next fruit? It's a pear. Pears come in different colors, including green, orange, yellow, and even red. And they grow on trees much like apples. The wood from pear trees can be used to make lots of nice things, like ornaments, tables, and musical instruments like the cello. Now our next fruit often comes in pairs. It's cherries. Cherries grow on beautiful trees called cherry blossoms. They produce about 800 cherries. Cherries are great when you have them with dessert, like cupcakes or pies, and look great on top. Wow, look at the size of that cherry pie. I hope that's not just for you, Fennec Fox. Now this fruit will be hard to guess. Can you get it? It's a coconut. Coconuts grow on palm trees in tropical places like deserted islands. The trees can reach 20 meters tall, which is as high as an 8th floor building. Hi, Big Mink.
Hi. Ah, coconut.
Now I bet you can all guess this fruit. It's the pineapple. Pineapples grow out of the ground and are actually a type of berry. If you slice off the top, you can use it to grow a new one. Wow, Mink, that pineapple is gigantic! Maybe you should invite your friends to help eat it.
Wow, look at
The
it.
largest pineapple is 32 centimeters long and weighed over 8 kilograms. Does everybody know this next fruit? It's lemons. Lemons grow on trees much like apples and pears. The trees are called evergreens and produce fruit all year. Oh, you like lemons, Miss Mink? No, too sour. Lemons are tastiest when you make lemonade by squeezing out their juices. You can also use lemons as a battery. Isn't that amazing? Okay, on to the next fruit. It's oranges. Oranges are another fruit that grows on trees like lemons. Oranges are like the children of pomelos and the older brothers of mandarins. To eat an orange, first peel off the skin, which you can then use to make some nice tea or for making cakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oranges usually break into 10 pieces after you take the skin off. Our next fruit is an old favorite. It's strawberries. Strawberries are covered in lots of tiny little seeds, the only fruit like this. There can be as many as 200. They grow on long stalks that come out of the ground that only produce fruit for 5 years. Strawberries are another fruit that goes great with dessert. The pineberry is a type of strawberry that's very pale and tastes like a pineapple. Do you know what our next fruit is? It's blackberries. They hang off the end of long branches. But watch out for the thorns. Blackberry leaves are great in tea, and if you feed blackberries to bees, they make delicious, dark, fruity honey. You can even use them to make pies, creams, ice creams, and jams, and they're all delicious. What do we have this time? It's the blueberry. Blueberries are great because you can eat lots of them before you get full. You can also use blueberries to make paint, so you and your friends can paint beautiful pictures. And just like other berries, you can make lots of delicious things like jams, pies, and ice creams. Thanks for another awesome lesson, Mr. Train. Let's go through them again. Banana, apple, pear, cherry, coconut, pineapple, lemon, orange, strawberry, blackberry, and blueberry. Thanks everyone for joining us on this learning adventure. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Search for AppMink.
So, are you coming to the AppMink disco party tonight, Mink? Helicopter and I will be putting on quite a show. Bright lights and cool music. We will all be sure to have a great time.
Sure am, Car. I'm looking forward to it very much. Help! Help! Someone! What's going on here? And why is the tree on fire?
I'm glad you're here, Mink. There's a little kitty stuck on top of that tower. And Big Mink climbed that tree to try and rescue it. Then a branch broke off and the tree fell onto the power lines. One of the lines broke away from the power pole and a spark from it caused a fire.
Help!
How do we stop this?
Don't worry, Fennec Fox, Big Mink, or Little Kitty. I know the right person for the job. Walkie-talkie.
Reporting in, Chief.
Walkie-talkie, can you call up fire truck?
Sure thing, Mink. Fire truck, do you copy? We have a problem here and we need you ASAP.
Copy that, Walkie-talkie. What seems to be the problem?
We have Big Mink stuck high up in a tree and a kitty high up in a tower. They both need your help, and with your long rescue ladder, we'll be able to get them both down safely. And by the way, fire truck, a fire has started as well.
I'm on it.
Now, call in the electrician to turn off the power in the street immediately. We don't want any more fires to start, or for someone to get electrocuted.
Oh, guys, hurry up!
Help is on the way, Big Mink. Hang in there. Thank goodness you're here, fire truck.
Fennec Fox, take the hose and stop putting out that fire. You will need to attach me to that fire hydrant over there. Oh, this smoke is making me feel dizzy. I think I might fall.
Don't worry, Big Mink. Fire truck is here, and we'll get you and Kitty down soon.
Mink, we have no time to spare. You have to climb the ladder and get Big Mink down.
Oh no, fire truck! The ladder doesn't quite reach. The ladder is only 5 meters long. I need another 5 meters to reach Big Mink. And worse still, I need another 10 meters to reach Kitty. What do we do?
Don't worry, Mink. I have a ladder extension. I can provide the extra 10 meters you need.
The fire is nearly out, team. Mink, have you reached Big Mink?
Don't worry, Big Mink. We've got you.
Boy, am I glad to see you, Mink. Thanks for coming to my aid.
Don't mention it.
Time to bring him down, Mink. Wait, Mink, don't forget Kitty.
Big Mink, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. But I did cause a whole lot of trouble.
Don't be so hard on yourself, Big Mink. While it's true that we can all be heroes, we all have our own strengths and limitations.
You're right, Mink. Maybe I'm not the best climber after all.
Don't worry, Big Mink. You just wanted to help. And well done for that.
Yay! Everyone is safe and sound.
Thanks goes to Fire Truck for helping us out again.
And just in time for the disco. Let's go! I'm hungry.
Search for AppMink. Hi everyone. Tonight is the night of Halloween for AppMink Town. And it's looking especially scary. The monster cars are sitting around the campfire, swapping ghost stories, when all of a sudden, Mwahahaha! I've cast a spell on you all. It's a spell that gives you costumes to go trick-or-treating in. Now we've got our own magic and extra scary designing room. So, you're up first, Flash? Well, I think you will make a great Frankenstein. Perfect. You're up next, Speedy. Alright, cowboy for you. Abracadabra! Wow, check out that hat and mustache! Victor, you can be a rock star. Hope you like rock and roll. So cool! And how about a werewolf for you, Bluey? Look at those teeth. I'm scared already. And lastly, Blaze. You can be an Indian. Such a fantastic headdress. Okay, are you guys ready to go? Let's do some trick-or-treating. Oh, this this is Mink's house,
Who is it?
and he's got a huge bowl of candy. What an awesome show!
What a great punk rock costume.
You're definitely a rock star. Don't forget to thank Mink for the candy. You make such a great Frankenstein. What does Big Mink think? He loves it.
Oh, well, let me take a picture.
Don't forget to thank him for the candy. Okay, who's next?
Huh? Someone's at the door.
Well, howdy there, Miss Mink.
Oh, wow.
Could you spare some candy for our partner here?
That's such a great cowboy costume.
What a great cowboy!
Here you go.
Don't forget to say thanks. Oh, here comes Blaze. He's sneaking up to the police station. Oh, you and Police Chief Mink are both wearing the same costume. Isn't that funny? Thanks, Police Chief Mink. And now Fox Mink's house. Don't scare him too much with that werewolf costume.
You're scary.
Thanks for the candy, Fox Mink. Hope you all had a good time, and happy Halloween from everyone here at AppMink. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you all next time. Search for AppMink.
I'll never forget my toughest chase. It was a truck with 16 wheels, each bigger than you, Mr. Police Car. That's it. Once, I chased a car around an erupting volcano.
Red alert! Evil Bus is escaping on the highway!
Sounds like trouble. Don't worry, I'll handle it. What? This ought to be easy. I protect this town. Pull over, Evil Bus. A warning light. Hooey, duty calls. Stop! You're under arrest.
You think you can stop me?
Uh-oh, my engine is leaking oil.
I've got some extra oil for you.
That's not good. Whoa! Whoa. Monster Police Car, I need some help. I knew it. Mr. Police Helicopter, meet us on the highway. This is our chance. Let's catch him together. If we pull off here, we can set a trap.
I lost him. I don't remember this sign. I love a beautiful open road. Caught again.
We make a great team, don't we? I agree.
Mr. Police Helicopter coming in. Time to take Evil Bus to jail.
Thank you, Mr. Police Helicopter. This reminds me of my second toughest chase. Oh no, not again.
Search for AppMink. search for AppMink. Welcome back to AppMink Town. Looks like Mr. Train is doing well. Oh no, is that evil Dr. Pig? What's he doing? It looks very suspicious. What's in that bag? There are some very suspicious looking tools. And was that dynamite? What's he gonna do with that? Oh, this doesn't look good. Evil Dr. Pig, please stop! Oh my gosh! This is terrible! Mink!
Oh no!
Police copter, please help! The tunnel has been blown up!
Somebody blew up the tunnel, please, Chief Mink.
Oh, that's terrible! First we're gonna put out the fire, and then move that log. Good work, Mr. Fire Truck. Putting out the fire is a great first step. Same goes for you, Mr. Crane. Good work.
Oh, what are we gonna do?
How do we move all this? Oh, that evil Dr. Pig.
I know what we should do.
What's that, Miss Mink? You've got an idea. Aha! You think we should build a digger?
Aw, yeah, that's pretty clever.
Look here.
All right, let's get started. First, we need the cab. Come on, cab. Don't leave us hanging. Next come the sides and the seat. Jump on, guys. And onto the base. Come on, Grill, what are you waiting for? Next comes the boom, arm, and the bucket. Quickly, we've got a tunnel to fix. Oh no! Evil Dr. Pig's minions are here to stop us.
Oh no!
Great work, Mink.
All right.
We're back on track. So, next up, we need the tilt cylinder and the blade. Great work! And now, the tracks and the frame. Now we're ready to get rolling. Finally, the steering wheel gets to join. now we're ready to help fix the tunnel. Oh, maybe a bit more power first.
Oh, you're forgetting something. Oh.
Thanks, Big Mink.
Oh.
Thanks. See ya.
Alright, Mink, let's go. Evil Dr. Pig's minions are trying to stop us again. Great work, Mink. No time to waste.
Hurry, Mink, we gotta get this cleaned up.
Don't worry, I'm on it.
Oh, Mink, we're running out of time.
Oh no, the train is coming. Hurry, Mink. It's getting closer.
I can do it. All right, this is
You
it.
can do it, Mink.
Oh, I can't watch.
One more time.
Come on, Mink.
All right, we did it, guys.
Foiled again.
The train is saved. Another crisis avoided thanks to Mink and his friends. Don't forget to subscribe to AppMink so you can see what Mink and his friends are up to next time. See you then. Okay, kids, it's time for a song. Do you know about Old MacDonald and his farm? You do? Then sing along.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Well, old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Yeah, old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there. Here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Yeah, old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some cats, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Well, old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some horses, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Search for AppMink.
Searching for target. Target located. Target locked on.
Hello, police car. You must be here to become a monster truck. Are you ready? Great! Let's see what we'll need. Looks like we need some new tires first. Let's start by removing the old ones. Don't worry, it'll be fixed soon. Yeah, this is a real monster truck wheel. What's next? Oh, the suspension. Wrap up nice and tight. Alright, we're going to need 4 of those. Time for the chassis. Stretch them out, that's it. Looking good. And now, the engine. Just jump right onto the chassis. That's it. Hello? Alright, that looks great. And finally, the cabin. Let's get going. Construction complete. Awesome. You're definitely the coolest police car ever. Amazing! Do you like it, Mr. Police Car? I thought you might. Let's go for a test drive. Whoa! Check out all those tricks! Wow! Amazing! That was awesome! We'll see you next time, everybody! And don't forget to subscribe to AppMink to make sure you don't miss the next episode!